Welcome back. I said our next topic is, can sickle cell disease be cured? Sickle cell disease can be cured using cells, stem cells transplant. The stem cells transplantation is the only way sickle cell can be cured. It's a potential cure for sickle cell. And these stem cells are special cells produced by bone marrow, a spongy tissue found in the center of some bones. They can turn into different types of blood cells. They can turn to red blood cells. They can turn to white blood cells. They can turn to platelets, stem cells. So if the person that is suffering from sickle cell, the stem cells can be used to transplant, to remove that sickle cell cells found in the body of the child. So stem cell transplantation is a potential cure for sickle cell disease by replacing the patient bone marrow with healthy stem cell from a donor, allowing the body to produce normal red blood cells. So somebody who is a sickler, a donor will donate stem cells, and these stem cells can be used to replace the SS in the child of the person. They will remove it and transplant it, remove the faulty cells and replace it with the stem cells. And these stem cells, there are two types of stem cells. These stem cells are produced in the bone marrow, spongy side, or like if you are eating chicken bone, especially the drumstick. You see at the end of it, you see something like bloody, something spongy, something. That is where it is found. Stem cells are found in the body, in the bone. So this stem cell transplantation, there are two types of stem cells you can use. You have the allogenic stem cell. We have autologous. Allogenic stem cell are those ones that can be produced by siblings, like somebody who is SS. The siblings that can donate the stem cells to the sufferer, or even outside donor, the people that donate that. So we call it allogenic stem cell. Then autologous is where they can use, they will use the sufferer, the sickle cell sufferer. They will modify the cell genetically. That SS cells can be modified. We call it gene therapy. So it can be modified and then transplant it in the body of the child. So, but these stem cells, it has some, though it can be used to cure sickle cell, but it has its attendant risk. One is that the person that you may not be able to find a donor. You may not be able to find a donor. Secondly, even if you get a donor, the blood, that stem cell that was donated, can be attacking the patient's blood. It will not match with the patient, and that will be another problem. And then above all is the affordability. Stem cell transplant is very, very expensive. It's very, very expensive. Imagine a situation where you have two sicklers, or three, or even one, and you are not handy, you don't have money. How will you go for transplant? Is affordability globally. The transplant can range from $5,000 to $500,000 US, and then in Canada maybe about 2,500 to about 25,000 US for a single treatment. Can you afford that? Can you afford that? And it has also known that these stem cells, some of them are still, it doesn't work for everybody the same. It can work for this person, it cannot work for this person. So why the stem cell transplantation is the cure, but how many people can afford it? Can you afford it? Don't say, let me go and marry AS, I will do stem cells, transplantation. I know there are many people now, stem cell this, stem cell that, they are selling those supplements. There are supplements that you can take, like this fatty omega-3 acid, and also vitamin D. There are supplements. There are many supplements that are being sold now in the market and all that. They say we can cure sickle cell and all that. Those are supplements. It's just to help to produce to boost the bone, the stem cell. Not that it is to cure it. There must be a transplant. Will you be able to afford that? And some of this at times it doesn't work. Knowing that this is may not work and you cannot afford it and there are potential risks, you don't put yourself into it. I have seen the money that is involved. Can you afford those money? The only thing to prevent, they say that prevention is better than cure. The only thing to prevent it is you that is AS not married somebody who is AS, or you that is AS not married somebody who is AC, to prevent this, because stem cell may work for some people, may not work for some people. Even if it will work, can you afford it? Can you afford it? Answer is for yourself. So let's better prevent this producing SS in the first instance. What do you think about that? After listening to all this, will you still go and say, it's my love, I love this person, I must marry this person? Please avoid it. Avoid marrying AS if you are AS. Thank you so much.